There's something about stepping into a national park that makes you feel small in the best possible way. The air shifts, the horizon stretches, and suddenly it's just you and something much bigger. But here's what experienced travelers understand. Nature is beautiful, and nature is powerful. Preparedness isn't dramatic, it's intelligent. Today we're walking through the 10 essentials, not as a checklist, but as real-world protection for real-world scenarios. Because confidence in the wild comes from knowing you're ready for what you didn't plan. Let's begin. Number 1, navigation. A physical map, a compass, and knowing how to use them. Here's a scenario. You're hiking in Rocky Mountain National Park. You planned a 4-mile loop. Halfway through, construction diverts the trail. Your GPS shows a dotted line, then nothing. Cell signal disappears. This happens more often than people admit. Digital tools are helpful until they aren't. A paper map doesn't lose signal. A compass doesn't run out of battery. And orientation skills prevent small detours from becoming search and rescue events. Smart travelers carry redundancy. Number 2, illumination. Even if you plan to be back before sunset, let's say you twist an ankle 2 miles from the trailhead. You slow down. Shadows stretch. The forest gets quiet. Darkness in wilderness isn't suburban dim. It's total. A lightweight headlamp weighs almost nothing. But it gives you depth perception, stability, and calm decision-making. Hands-free light means safer footing. Safer footing means controlled movement. Controlled movement prevents further injury. Number 3, sun protection. UV intensity increases with elevation. Desert trails reflect heat upward. Snow reflects it from below. You may not feel yourself burning until you do. A bad sunburn doesn't just sting. It dehydrates you, drains energy, impairs judgment. The fix? Sunscreen, polarized sunglasses, and a wide brim hat. Number 4, nutrition. Not just snacks, but backup fuel. Here's the mistake people make. They pack for the hike they planned. Not the hike that happens. You take a scenic detour. You pause for photos. You linger at the overlook. Now you're an hour longer than expected. Blood sugar drops. Decision-making declines. And fatigue increases fall risk. Extra calories equal stable energy. Stable energy equals better judgment. Number 5, hydration. Water is heavy, but running out is heavier. Dehydration doesn't announce itself dramatically. It starts subtly, with mild headache, irritability, slight dizziness, then performance drops. Always calculate based on temperature, elevation, and distance. Then add margin, and if you're traveling in the Southwest, double that margin. Smart hikers don't gamble with water. Number 6, insulation. Weather shifts fast in the mountains. A 70-degree morning can become a 40-degree wind-chilled afternoon, especially above the tree line. Hypothermia doesn't require snow. It requires cold, fatigue, plus wind. A lightweight insulated layer, a rain shell, and dry backup clothing does the trick. Layering isn't about bulk. It's about micro-adjustment. The body performs best when the temperature stays regulated. Number 7, fire. Let's be clear. You don't pack fire because you expect disaster. You pack it because warmth buys time. If you're delayed overnight or waiting for assistance. Fire provides heat, light and psychological reassurance. Pack waterproof matches, a dependable fire starter, and small tools. These items have a major impact. Number 8, emergency shelter. No one plans to spend the night unexpectedly, but twisted ankles, washed out trails, or sudden storms, they don't check your itinerary. An ultralight emergency bivvy, a compact space blanket, a small tarp can help tremendously. We need shelter because it blocks wind. And wind is what accelerates heat loss. protection from exposure, turns a survival scenario into a manageable delay. Number 9, repair kit and tools. This one prevents escalation. Broken trekking pole, loose boot sole, strap failure on your pack, individually minor, but collectively risky, a small multi-tool, duct tape wrapped around a water bottle, and basic cordage can be the quick answer. These aren't what-if items. They're problem solvers. Prepared travelers don't panic. They improvise. Number 10, first aid kit. Blisters ruin hikes. Untreated scrapes become infected. Minor injuries compound fatigue. A simple, well-stocked kit means you clean wounds immediately, stabilize small injuries, and prevent deterioration. The goal isn't to perform surgery. It's to prevent small problems from becoming major complications miles from help. Here's what experienced national park travelers understand. The 10 essentials aren't about fear. They are about respect. Respect for distance, respect for terrain, respect for weather, respect for unpredictability. Preparedness doesn't limit adventure. It expands it. Because when you reach that overlook, when the canyon opens wide, or the mountain range rolls to the horizon, you won't just feel awe. You'll feel steady, confident, capable, and fully present. Before your next national park adventure, check your pack. Adventure feels better when preparation walks beside it, and the wild rewards those who show up ready. Subscribe for smart travel tips.